All right, here we are at 2051 DYAN Way here in Maitland, Florida, 32751. This is a 5-bed, 4-bath, 3,136 square foot. Home was built in 1970. It's right here on the corner, and as you saw the drive-in that I sent, very established neighborhood, very quiet area here in Maitland. Maitland and Dommerich, Maitland Middle and Dommerich Elementary are just on the other side, biking, walking distance. A lot of younger families that live in this area. Obviously, the schools are a huge attraction over here. And at some point, obviously, the front of the house is here. There was a garage conversion for the extra space. So it's basically a 4-3, and then you've got the 1-bed, 1-bath conversion in the garage, which I'll show you here in a second, but just kind of show you here on the corner. Again, nice, beautiful homes. It's a little bit of a pie shape. The house has a smaller backyard, but decent amount of parking, nothing crazy. But you do have street parking out front. Walk in here through the front door. You've got a step-down living room in here. And then you've got your formal dining on this side. You've got pocket doors for everything except for this room. Got a nice coat closet right when you walk in. Again, into your living space, nice fireplace. This is your more traditional living room. Again, another pocket door. So you really can kind of carve the house up how you want. 4 beds, 3 baths are that way. The 1-bed, 1-bath area is on that side, which I'll show you here in a second. But as we sit here in the living room, nice wood-burning fireplace. Again, I can touch the ceiling. I know we were talking about that earlier. Pretty traditional here in Maitland. We'll come over here to the kitchen. And the roof on this is a 2022. And then they did say that it was painted this year as well. So again, lots of cabinets overhanging, kind of separating these two rooms. If that's something that would want to be taken out, that's obviously you could do, but you would lose cabinetry. I believe this is DYAN countertops. Looks out into the nice pool, which we'll go out there in a second. Smaller area for a pantry. But again, a lot of space in here to do things. So this is your interior laundry, washer dryer hookup, obviously door out to the pool as well. You've got a little inside sink. And this obviously is gonna be more of your pantry on this side. And then you have another storage area right off of your laundry. Obviously they have their refrigerator. Over here, you've got your tankless water heater there as well, which is nice. And then this does go out to the pool. How about we take a walk out here? So nice screened in pool. You've got covered space all throughout here. Old school kidney bean-esque style pool. From everything that I can see, it looks really nice. I don't see any pitting or any discoloration, anything like that that's going on. You can see a little bit, but nothing crazy. This does back up to the conservation back here. So everything kind of slopes back. Obviously, water's back that way. But again, not much of a big backyard over here. They do have a kid fence that goes along the whole pool, which is located inside the house. Master bedroom on that side, but we'll keep going. That fogged door right there does feed into a bathroom, so you do have access for a pool bath, which is nice. Again, 2 doors out to that. You don't have to go out that door, but you do have 2 doors. So this kind of, let's call it the mother-in-law suite, for lack of a better term, that we've got going Here is the HVAC. This unit is 2016. Again, a lot of space coming over here. So they tried to cut it up so it just wasn't one open room. Again, we'd have to see if that's load bearing, but you've got one area right here. This is more of a storage area. There's the pool fence and pool gate on the back side of the HVAC and your electrical panels. And then your closet for this room. And if you're gonna treat this as a bedroom. Nice large bathroom in here as well, no tub. And then again, another wide open space. So this can be converted into whatever you would find useful. This, again, I have to assume is the old garage that you would have pulled into that they've opened up. Again, I would assume the garage door was right here and you would have drove through that to get in. But nice little kitchenette, put a refrigerator right here. You do have a full-size stove. So a lot of space, and this is on the complete opposite side of the other bedrooms, which we'll walk over to that right now. Again, front door, just to orientate you better, sorry. All right, we're gonna start here. I'm gonna come to this corner real quick. So bedroom 1, bathroom, bedroom 2, bedroom 3, bedroom 4, bathroom on this side. So you do have 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms on this side. Pretty straightforward. Get into the bathroom. Pretty standard closet. Into this bedroom. Nice sized bedrooms, double pane windows. Again, pretty standard closets. Pocket door. Bedroom number 3. Almost an exact mirror of the other one. Here's your pool bath. Again, more storage on this side. Okay. And this would be your traditional master. Nice double sliders, windows out back. And this obviously is a little bit more updated of a bathroom, but again, it's a very large space. So a lot could be done here. Nice large walk-in closet, or large to me. And then you have the master shower and bathroom. And obviously, nice sliders out to the pool.